Bitcoin price taps $21,300 ahead of Fed Chair Powell Jackson Hole speech. Daily lows greet Bitcoin traders as markets await fresh macro cues from the Fed. Market update: Bitcoin, BTC, fell to daily lows on August 26 as market nerves heightened into new macro triggers. Pre-Fed blues hit BTC markets. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC/USD dipping to $21,332 on Bitstamp ahead of fresh commentary from Jerome Powell, chair of the United States Federal Reserve. Part of the Fed's Jackson Hole annual symposium, Powell was set to deliver a speech on the day that spectators hoped would provide new cues on economic policy going forward. With U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, inflation slowing since June, interest remained high over the extent of key interest rate hikes in September. Summarizing the current economic situation in the U.S., macro analyst David Hunter argued that the Fed would have no choice but to change course before the end of the year. Many signs were in recession with economy continuing to decelerate, he told Twitter followers this week. According to CME Group's Fed Watch tool, however, a majority still favored a repeat of July's 75 basis point raise. Trading range endures. Bitcoin circles meanwhile kept an eye on potential volatility going into this year's Jackson Hole. Related, when moon? Probably not soon. Why Bitcoin traders should make friends with the trend: we often see an increase in volatility just before Fed announcements, but that may be limited if some of the near-range liquidity doesn't get cleared out. On-chain analytics resource Material Indicators wrote in part of follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.